In this very video, we are continuing from where we stopped in part 11. This is part 12 you are watching. Our series of giving you Expo questions that could possibly come out in your use of English in this coming JAMB exam, right? So I don't want you to joke around. As I always say, anything that is distracting you, run away from it. Anything that will distract you, within the first few minutes we will be in this video. Leave it, pause it, move away from it. Give me your absolute attention. Remember, I always say this is your future. This is your future. This JAMB is so important. This is not O-level exam. This is not WAEC or NECO, right? It is you and your computer that day. So let us be serious. I am giving you these questions to prepare you. We keep doing it. We keep preparing. I've done quite a lot of videos on use of English. This is part 12 you are watching, right? Let's dive in. We stopped in question 88 and we'll continue from question 88 until we get to question 100. Are you with me? Okay. Ali was honest and quiet as a schoolboy, but too much drinking has now changed his dash and dash his tongue. I want you to first of all understand the question. You need to understand the question, then you now proceed to answering the question. Ali was honest and quiet as a schoolboy, but too much drinking has now changed his dash and dash his tongue. A. Has now changed his temperature and injured his tongue. B. Has now changed his character and tightened his tongue. C. Has now changed his temperament and loosened his tongue. D. Has now changed his innocence and worsened his tongue. What do you think is the answer? The answer is C. Has now changed his temperament and loosened. Remember, before they say he was a quiet boy, so his tongue was now loosened, that he was now talking anyhow. Okay, do you understand that one? Okay, let's look at question 89. The hospital was closed dash because there were no beds to put patients dash. The hospital was closed dash because there were no beds to put patients dash. A. The hospital was closed again because there was no bed to put patients upon. B. Closed off. There was no bed to put patients on. C. Closed down. There was I think these options are not very clear, so we'll jump that particular one. Forgive me for that. Question 90. The judge with his son dash traveling to Lagos now. The judge with his son dash traveling to Lagos now. A. Where traveling to Lagos now. B. Shall traveling to Lagos now. C. Is traveling to Lagos now. D. Are traveling to Lagos now. The answer is the judge with his son is traveling to Lagos now. The judge with his son is traveling to Lagos now. The reason we are not choosing add is because of this with. Assuming the question say the judge and his son, you can now say are traveling to Lagos now. But the option we have here, the judge with his son is. Do you get that? Whenever you say this with this, it is seen as a singular. It goes with is. Right? But if they say this and that, it has to go with plural verb. Are you with me? Remember, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question on use of English and the other subjects you are writing. Also, if there's any video you need me to do that I have not done, let me know so I can do that for you. Okay? 91. A university teacher is and dash. A university teacher is and dash. A university teacher is and dash. A. Academic. B. Academics. C. Academician. D. Academia. The answer is a university teacher is an academic. Why? It is singular. It's one person. Right? It is one person. Okay? Question 92. Are you still here with me? I hope you are following the classes. What you are watching is part 12. We have done a lot of videos from part 1 to part 11. From part 12, we kept going up and up. So if you need me to give you the link to all the videos we have done on use of English, to all the videos we have done on Lekki Headmaster the novel, to all the videos we have done on mathematics, biology, chemistry, economics, government, anyone you need, just mention the subject and tell me to give you the link on that subject. I can give them to you free of charge. Okay, let's look at question 92. Question 92. The adventurer ran into many dash in the forest. The adventurer ran into many dash in the forest. We are looking at question 93. The adventurer ran into many dash. No, we're looking at 92. The adventurer ran into many dash in the forest. A. Many deer, many deers, many deers, many deer. The answer is he ran into many deer in the forest. Many deer. D. 93. The argument between the two neighbors degenerated into dash. The argument between the two neighbors degenerated into dash. A free-to-all. A free-to-all fight. B. A free fight. C. A free-for-all. D. A free-for-all fight. The answer is a free-for-all fight. That is D. A free-for-all. That means everybody started fighting on their own side. Fighting erupted everywhere. Okay, I hope you are learning. I hope you are learning. If you are learning from my videos, please always let me know. It will encourage me to do more for you. 94. The class dash more girls than boys this season. The class dash more girls than boys this season. A. Comprised of. B. Comprises of. C. Comprise more girls. D. Comprises more girls than boys. The answer is D. The class comprises more girls than boys. This is not comprises of. Note these simple things. These are the areas JAMB will hook people from. You remember, it is quite easy to fail JAMB. You will be answering the wrong thing, thinking you are correct. And eventually when the result shows, it will be as if JAMB jammed you. Now listen, our goal in this channel is for you to score 300 and above. Claim it. I want you to claim it, that within a short few months you will come back to me with a testimony. You will come back telling me how you are among those that got your admission. You will come back when your result is released telling me how much you were able to make, 300 and above. You will get your preferred university. You will not be among the millions that will score 180, 170, 200. No, your goal and my prayer for you. That's why I've been making these videos for you day in. It's not easy for me, but I keep doing it day in, day out for you to pass. So if you claim it, type I claim it. You claim what you want in the comment section. Type it. 95. The tourist bought dash. The tourist bought dash. The tourist bought dash. A brown small Nigerian earthen pot. B. A small brown Nigerian earthen pot. C. An earthen brown small Nigerian pot. D. A Nigerian small brown earthen pot. This is why JAMB is funny. The answer actually is B. A small brown Nigerian earthen pot. A small brown Nigerian earthen pot. You see why these videos I'm making are so important. They will expose you to where JAMB will come from so that you wait for them there. Do you get? So I need you to watch. Don't just watch this part 12. Watch other videos we've done on use of English. Watch even from part 12, part 13, part 14, part 15. Watch all of them. They will really help you. Are you with me? 96. I have already dashed the picture on the sitting room wall. I've already dashed the picture on the sitting room wall. A. Hanged the picture. B. Hung the picture. C. Hang the picture. D. Hung the picture. The answer is D. I've already hung the picture on the sitting room wall. Are you with me? 97. Most of us will attend the conference at Ibadan later this year. Most of us will attend the conference at Ibadan this year, holding at Ibadan this year. B. Held at Ibadan this year. C. Being held at Ibadan this year. D. To hold at. The answer is most of us will attend the conference holding at Ibadan this year. Holding at Ibadan this year. 98. Use of English is very complex. That is why you need to watch more, do more practice questions, more expo questions, more past questions. They will be pointing you in the right direction. 98. I shall work hard so that I can dash a distinction in English. I shall work hard so that I shall dash a distinction in English. A. I shall secure a distinction in English. B. I shall make a distinction. C. I shall receive a distinction. I shall grab the answer. I shall make. The answer is B. I shall make a distinction. Not secure, not receive, not grab. Okay. 99. The baby was rather dash. The baby was rather dash than I could bear. The baby was rather dash than I could bear. Rather much more troublesome. B. Much too troublesome. C. So much troublesome. D. Very much troublesome than I can bear. The answer to 99. Let's look at it again. The baby was rather A. Much more troublesome. B. Much too troublesome. C. So much troublesome. D. Very much. The answer is B. The baby was rather so much too troublesome than I could bear. Much too troublesome than I could bear. Okay. Question number 100. Are you paying attention? Are you with me? Students were forbidden dash any secret society. Students were forbidden dash any secret society. A. Students were forbidden from joining any secret society. B. In joining any secret society. C. To joining any secret society. D. On joining any secret society. Let me repeat. Students were forbidden dash any secret society. Is it from joining or in joining or to joining or D. On joining? I won't tell you the answer to question 100. Come under the comment and tell me the answer to question 100. Remember to continue watching our series on use of English. Go to part 13. We will do part 13, part 14, and order. Remember, tell me the answer. This is the assignment I'm giving for this video. Tell me the answer to question 100. If you need those materials free of charge, free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question, just join our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on join and join our YouTube channel. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share this video. Then number 4, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Remember, you must join. It's a must. You must like this video. You must share this video. When you share it on YouTube. Share it, copy the link, share it on all the Telegram groups, all the WhatsApp groups, all the Facebook groups you belong to for JAMB Bites. Then come down and subscribe. Come and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you have subscribed, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send the materials to you. Remember to give me the answer to question 100. There's a video I'm leaving on the screen. Click on it and watch now.